Here's my old man, Sam. Hey, buddy. He turned 25 last January. Yeah, he's a good boy. What a good boy you are. Hey, little girl. Boy, she's got the red eye this morning. I've got the flash on. So it was dark in Sam's chamber. How are you doing this morning, little girl? How are you doing? I need that butt. You give me some buttage. I need some butt. Oh, yum. Hi, Miss Fiona. Hey, little Fifi. What are you doing, little Fifi? Miss Fiona. What are you doing? What? She's so funny. She'll stamp her feet back and forth and scoot up and down the perch. This is her little nest box. She says, I like it. And Jeffrey June is consistently antisocial. Hey, buddy. Mr. Red Eye. Miss Red Eye. This is one that I had for 6 years, and I came out here one day and I thought he was dying. He was laying down on the perch, and I scooped him up, took him down to the house, put him in a crate. Didn't have the heart to watch him die, so I came back in an hour and he'd laid an egg. So he is a she. But I couldn't stop calling him Jeffrey, so I just tacked June on the end of it. Jeffrey June. And last but not least, the magnificent Cotton Malone. It's about 73 in the morning. This Saturday, beautiful Saturday morning, August 1st. Hey, buddy. You give me that ball. You give me that ball. I need it. I need that ball. You. Come on, let me throw it for you. Go get it. Go get it. Oh. What are you doing? You sure are cute. Right. Yep. There's my sweet Dobbin. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. There's Mommy having some private time inside the little pitiful greenhouse that Holly helped me put up a year and a half ago. There's Petey, Peter Llewellyn Davies. 2 of my 3 rosemarys have passed away. Come to find out, I've been overwatering them. Lovely. The lovely extended bed that Miss Renee did for us during her visit. It went from this to this. Sweet David's grave. He sure has been busy lately helping beloved pets cross the Rainbow Bridge. More of Miss Renee's handiwork. The hydrangea there is blooming. Just about everything lived here, except for something she pulled out of the woods. This is a huge oak leaf hydrangea that we picked up at Scott's for a song. Another hydrangea. Can you tell I like hydrangeas? And that's St. John's wort. Well, look who's going up the tree. You little silly. What? are you doing? You're acting all goofy. Yeah, you are. You're acting all goofy. My little pond, all lovingly covered in duckweed, which most people hate, but I like it. It just makes it real swampy and wetlandy, and the frogs don't care. A little side view of the extended bed that Renee did. The voodoo lily that I didn't know I had because I've had chickens for so long, and none of this was possible when I had chickens. None of it, because they would scratch everything up out of the ground. But this past May was a year that I'd rehomed my chickens, and the voodoo lily started to emerge. It's very, very cool. My giant elephant ears are happy in the in the pot. I've never done that before. They liked it a lot. I had started the bulbs, and I thought, well, once they start to emerge, I'll put them in the ground. But they've done so well that I just thought I would leave them. Here's the other one. And another patch of giant elephant ears. And these are doing really well, but I didn't put the soil deep enough, and it stays wet all the time because I have the dehumidifier line running into it, so it's just the perfect environment. Poor pitiful basement door. Something else Miss Renee did. She's so clever. Put a little color in there this time. Little Lenten rose, and pull that liriope out of the yard. The perennial fern. The lovely deck. With my spiffy little waterfall that I bought with my wood stove money that's rapidly dwindling. A couple of different kinds of basil, horsetail, patchouli, another big patch of patchouli. Pretty cool.